Instagram marketing. In this video series, we would be looking at Instagram marketing. Instagram has grown to become one of the very energetic and favored social media marketing platform. So how do you use Instagram to promote your brand, your business, and to grow your brand? So one of the things that we are going to be learning 4 different ways that you can use Instagram marketing. The first one is Instagram ads. Just like Facebook, just like all other social media platforms, now on Instagram, you can actually advertise your video or your business or your links using photos, using other kinds of adverts in a way that it reaches millions and millions of users in a very short period of time. The next way to use Instagram for your marketing is Instagram post. Instagram is dominantly an image-based social media platform. So if you do really good photos, if you post really good images, and you would be able to get lots and lots of views, lots and lots of followers, and that can mean lots and lots of people to whom you can market and show your business and show your brand. Instagram collaborations. This is very important. If you are on Instagram and you tag other people and you're able to collaborate with others that have got millions and millions of followers or thousands of followers, what happens is that when they are tagged in any post, what happens is what you tagged them in is also shown to their viewers, and that can actually lead to you multiplying your viewership and growing your business and your followers. Another thing is Instagram stories. So if you really want to grow your business, another way to do it is to use Instagram stories. And we are going to look more into all of this as we talk and explore Instagram marketing. So let's start first things first, because some people might be watching and they've never heard of Instagram and they have never used Instagram. So what is Instagram? Instagram is a social media platform for pictures dominantly, even though now using what we call Instagram Reels and short videos is Instagram is breaking into videos and other kinds, but predominantly it's for pictures, and good quality pictures sell on Instagram. And what do we mean by sell on Instagram? It gets more views, it gets more likes, and it promotes your brand. So Instagram is mostly used by the younger generation. So many people who use Instagram are mostly the ones who are able to quickly take photos and good photos and post them and share them. So younger people are more prone to using Instagram. Instagram is also highly engaging. People comment, people follow you, people are able to engage on your photos. So Instagram currently have over 800 million monthly users, actually going to 1 billion users. This is all data that we're talking about 2017-18. So Instagram users have grown as we can see from its launch in 2010. This is just looking at up to 2017. So right now it's over 1 billion users on Instagram. It's quite a busy social media platform. If we want to break down how long it took Instagram to add each 100 million users, you would see that in October 2010, it was launched. By 2013, 100 million users. First month, think about it. So it took them 28 months to add the first 100 million, down to 18 months to add the next 100 million, down to 9 months, and now 4 months. And within 2 months now, it can actually add the next 100 million users. So Instagram is more than twice the size of Twitter. And if you are not on Instagram and you're marketing to young people, you need to be on Instagram. In the next videos, we will be looking at other aspects of Instagram marketing, And thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next video.